Thank you very much. I'm gonna eat it.
Yes, please. You can put the camera on the table if you want. I'm gonna eat as well. Okay, so we have a little bit of everything in the fork.
Oh my God.
Hi everyone, I'm Paula Romero from La Bella Pasta, and this is what we just made. You know when you're in the mood for pasta and you realize you have no sauce in your pantry or refrigerator? No panic. Here at La Bella Pasta, it's always pasta o'clock. So, let's roll with it. Pasta and veggies are a great combination. This is what you can do. If you have some leftover veggies in your refrigerator, this is the perfect time to use them. Please don't throw them away, okay? So this is what I have today here. I have here some mushroom, I have a little bit of asparagus. Actually, it is not a little bit, it's a lot of asparagus and I want to use them. I have tomatoes, I have some olives, and I have tuna because I want to add some protein to my pasta as well. This dish doesn't even have a name, so we're gonna name it together. I'm gonna call it pasta with sauté veggies. Done. Let me show you. Asparagus, very nice with pasta. So you know, you bend the asparagus like this, and when it breaks, it's the right point for you to start cutting it up. This is gonna be too rough, too fibrous, so we don't want that. You can either do that with each one of them, or you make more or less the same size, and then you chop them. I like to cut them in the bias, like so. When it gets close to the tips, leave it like that.
What other veggies can I use instead?
You can use any other veggies.
Can I use like carrots or green beans?
You can use green beans, you can use carrots, you can use broccoli, you can use cauliflower, spinach. Spinach looks very nice. Try to add some green to the mix here. That is gonna look very nice.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome. So I'm gonna add a drizzle of olive oil to my skillet, and I'm gonna start with some garlic. If you don't like to bite into garlic, you can just let it release its flavor to the olive oil and then you remove it. That's what I'm gonna do because my husband doesn't like, he likes the garlic flavor, but he doesn't like to bite into garlic. Then we come with the mushroom.
Oh my God, what a smell.
I know, right?
Yeah.
And we're just getting started. Imagine in a few minutes, this is gonna be amazing. We bring the asparagus to the party. At this point, we add some salt, some black pepper, and we're going to start cooking the pasta. This is a very quick dish, so especially because we are using fresh pasta. That's right. I taught a class another day and I have here some leftover fresh pasta. By the way, if you don't know how to make fresh pasta, I invite you to visit our website, check our calendar, and sign up for a class. I'm gonna show you that making fresh pasta is not that complicated, and it tastes so much better. Once you get used to the fresh pasta, and it's not difficult to get used to it, you're gonna get hooked, and you need to know how to make it. By the way, fresh pasta cooks very, very fast, about 3 minutes only for al dente, okay? Heads up, guys, when you cook pasta, don't add oil to the water, because the oil is going to stick to the pasta and you don't want that. You want the sauce to stick to the pasta. So just add salt to the pasta water, okay? This is one of the tips that I gave in my class, my pasta class. So we're going to add the pasta and it's going to cook for 3 minutes for al dente. And 3 minutes, I'm going to put a timer. To the veggies, I'm gonna add some tuna, black olives, and last but not least, I'm gonna add some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. No, I'm sorry, this is not cherry tomatoes, this is grape tomatoes. That means that our pasta is done. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna finish in the skillet. Check this out, guys. My mouth is watering. If you think it's too dry, you can add a little bit of the pasta water just to create a little sauce at the bottom. Some more olive oil. At this point, I'm turning off the heat and adding some lemon zest. Fresh Parmesan to it. Oh my God. And don't forget to add some basil. Roughly chopped. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so. Hit the notification button so you know when we post something new. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you in one of our fresh pasta class, okay? See you soon. Bye!